Okay, if it is yes, where was it? You can write your answers. Have you ever been on a trip? If it is yes, where was it? You can write the answers. Any place where you would like to go, and then you will discuss about it later, okay? But right now you will tell me that where you went, okay? Okay. The third question is, what was it like? What was it like? Like you enjoyed, it was fun, it was enjoyable, it was informative, whatever the answer is, you can write like this, okay? What was it like? And the last is, where would you like to go on your next school? You can suggest your answers also, and you can suggest the place, or not only suggesting where you want to go, you can write the place. You will see the interesting answers. Where would you like to go on your next school trip? Okay, good. So see on the book, there is what? There is a picture, Lakeside Activity Center. Now see, they are also being on the trip, and what they are doing different things, okay? Different, like on a trip you can do different, you can enjoy yourself, you can explore the place, you can take the different pictures of the places, or to just keep the record of the things, or you can enjoy yourself. There are some educational trips also, when there is a topic like something is given to you and you have to do the research about that particular topic, or you can just enjoy, okay? What is that? Lakeside Activity Center. Learn to survive in the great outdoors, enjoy some exciting water sports, and take a trip through the treetops. Okay, I'm reading again. Learn to survive in the great outdoors, enjoy some exciting water sports, and take a trip through the treetops. Now, see, learn to survive in the great outdoors. For planning an outdoor trip, you need some particular things also, with tools also, toolkit also, because you know that when we are going outdoor, we need to take some particular things with us. Okay, so how can we live there, or how can we survive there? Then enjoy some exciting water sports. Second picture is what? Windsurfing. Okay, the one first one was what on the book? What is there? Okay, see, it is very clear to you. Zip lining. Okay, just hanging, when you are hanging yourself and then you are moving. Then the second one is windsurfing. See how he is moving. Okay, then the last one is follow our nature trail. Is when you are exploring the nature, you are looking at the trees, you are exploring the forest, and like these things, okay? Tree tops you are just having. Okay, so for these three things or any other trip wherever you are going, you need to take things with you. And you know that when we are going outdoor, we need to have such skills also, okay? That how we are going to survive there, or how we are going to enjoy there. All right, so look at the question number one, that is vocabulary. Complete the list using the words in the box. Okay, so this question you are going to do on the book. Complete the list using the words in the box. The options are making, cooking, following, identifying, putting up. Okay, so from these options you are going to select. You know the space is less, so what you can do, you can just write in front of the words. Okay, in front of the words you can write it. Then Number one is, what is the option you can select from there? Our tent. What is the tent like? Okay, outdoor survival skills. Then a campfire. Then third is over a campfire. Fourth, a path or a tail. Fifth, trees, plants, and wildfire. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 minutes to complete this work. The options are, I'm repeating the options: making, cooking, following, identifying, putting up. Okay, just complete this. You can just write down the number on the option, and then you can write the answers. Right now, just write the number that where it will become. This is very easy. So I hope all of you have done. I'll tell you the answers later. So just now you have to write on your own. Moving to the question number 2. Just look at the books. Match the words in the. This one is done for you. Okay. What is the first? Number one is a pair of trainers. B option is the correct. Trainers. Okay. A pair of trainers. All right. So then we will do that. Just matching you have to do. You will need to bring, number one I told you, that is written on the book. Number two is a sleeping costume, clothes, bag, trunks, or jacket. What is the correct answer? You can write in front of this one two, like a sleeping. If A option is correct, you can write A, C, D, E, or F. What the correct answer is, you can write over there. Three is a waterproof costume, clothes, bag, trunks, or jacket. What is the correct answer? Fourth is a change of. A change of costume, clothes, bag, trunks, or jacket. Fifth one is a swimming costume, clothes, bag, trunks, or jacket. Or sixth one, or you can, these are two options are there, are swimming or swimming. Okay, so same options are there, you can write one of them. What is the correct option? These two questions you are going to do on the book. All right. Okay, now this is the very interesting work. Look at the screen and just note it down what you are going to do. This will be sent to you also, but you are going to look, you know that since childhood you are doing picture description also. Okay, you are describing a picture and all that. Okay, so today you are also going to do that again, descriptive writing. So what is there? Look at the picture and write a paragraph about using the words given below. Now see the picture carefully. Okay, this work you can do on your English A copy. And how you are going to do, you are going to take help from these words. The words which are given to you, I'll read for you. Again, I'm repeating the question. Look at the picture and write a paragraph about using the words given below. Now, there are many words given to you, and you can see the picture. It's a very interesting picture is there. Okay. So, just I'm reading the words for you. Just look at the screen carefully. Tent, sleeping bag, fish, lake, campfire, mountain bike, path, bridge, waterfall, plane, inflatable boat, wildlife, treetops, helmet, windsurfer, wetsuit, pair of trainers, kayak, life jacket, and zip lining. Okay, so many words are given to you, so you can take help from this. Okay, so just look at the picture carefully and then you are going to write your paragraph in your own words. All right, and it is very clearly written that you are going to do in English a copy. Okay, so what can you see in the picture? Just tell me quickly so we can have the this one review that what you have learned and what you are going to explore like this. If you like these kind of places, this is very good. Like this is very interesting. Everything is there. Boating is also going on. Cycling is there. Riding is there. Zip lining is also there. So this is very good. Okay. So just explain this in one or two sentences just right now so I can see that one. Okay. So I'm giving you some time to write it and everybody has to write it. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm giving you the homework. Just take out your diaries, write a date and day, and then you have to write your diary. What is the diary? Do it on English B copy. That is your English B work. The question is write a paragraph about planning a school trip. Write a paragraph about planning a school trip. What you're going to write? Write in detail that how you will plan the trip. Okay? Don't take help from the internet. You are going to write on your own. All right? So whatever you are planning, the other students cannot plan. So you just write on your own. I'm repeating the homework. Write a paragraph about planning a school trip and write in detail that how you will plan the trip. So I hope it's clear to you and this question you are going to do in your where? Yes, English B copy. So thank you so much. See you soon. God bless you. Okay, my dear students.
Today we are going to start our today's lecture. We are going to deal two questions today. Both questions are related that how to find the value of unknown. So first of all, let us start with exercise 5.2, question number 12. Exercise 5.2, question number 12. Are you ready, my dear? Equation is given. There are three parts of it. First one is part A, B, and C. I have selected part B for you people. Kindly start writing it down. First of all, I guess whatever is comfortable to you, would you like to understand it first or do with me side by side? The choice is yours. So, if you can see from the book, the value of P, Q, and R is given. P, Q, and R is given. What I have to do, I have to write the values underneath, like first of all I have given with P. Right underneath it, I will jot down the value of p, that is 17x cube plus 15x square minus 7x plus 9. After that, sign of subtraction is given. Sign of subtraction, then bracket starts, and value of q, that is minus 10x cube minus 5x square plus 2x and plus 1. I am using contrast colors to make it clear to you. After q, there is a sign of addition. So I have to put sign of addition and write the value of r. That is 11x cube minus 6x square plus 5x and plus 10. Is this clear? And keep in mind, we cannot change the order. I cannot write value of r first in place of p. We have to keep the same order given by the. Is this clear? Is this clear? How to put the values? All right. Zakia, kindly write your question in the chat box. Now, all of you are familiar with Bode-Mass rule, isn't it? You all are familiar with Bode-Mass rule. So, we have a bracket over here. So, what I have to do, I will deal with the bracket first. How many of you remember the concept of like terms that we have done yesterday? As we can see, the value is too large, so it is better to resolve and collect the like terms and resolve them within the brackets. So as I can see, the first value is 10x cube minus 10x cube. I will check, is there any other value having the same coefficient, that is x cube? Yes, I have a value that is plus x cube. I will write both of these terms together as it is shown in yellow color on the slide. Next I have minus 5x square. Next I have minus 5x square. So I will write minus 5x square. After that I will check, is there any other value? Yes. Like term to it is minus 6x square. Keep in mind the sign that falls before the term is the sign of the term, not after one. Like minus, first you we have minus sign before 6 and sign of addition after it. So which sign we have to consider? We have to consider the sign that falls before the term, not after the term. Am I clear? After that, my next term is plus 2x. I will write plus 2x, then I will find out, is there any other like term to it? Yes, that is plus 5x, that you can see in the gray color. After that, what is left? Plus 1 and plus 10, they both are constant. They both are constant. Plus 1 and plus 10. Is this clear? What we have done, we have collected the like terms together to resolve them. Any questions till here? Students, any questions? My dear class, any questions? No, teacher. All right. Thank you. What I will do, I will start resolving this. Minus 10x cube plus 11x. Now, see, minus 10 and plus 11. According to the rule of science, what is this? Minus and plus. Plus minus, plus minus. Give me the answer, please. Minus. That's great. Now, if we subtract 11 and 11 from 10, what would be the answer? Tell me. What would be the answer? Yeah, the answer is 1. The answer is 1. Now consider the coefficient with that, that is x cube. X cube. Keep in mind the coefficients are remain same in this case. So my answer would be 1x cube. Now, my other question, please listen to me carefully. Which sign I have to put with this value, either of addition or subtraction? Just think, take 30 seconds, think and answer me. Which sign? Yes, plus, neither not of subtraction, the sign of the greater value. The sign of the greater value. So the greater value is 11 over here. So I have to put sign of addition with this one. I have to put sign of addition. So my answer is x cube only. We are not going to use 1 because it is understood that where there is no value, there would be 1. As this one is the first value of the term, so there is no need to put the sign of addition as well, because it is understood that where there is no sign in the beginning, that sign would be of addition. After that, in mauve color, if you can see, we have like terms having the value x square. So we are going to deal with this one. The value is minus 5x square and minus 6x square. Just recall the rule of sign and tell me, if we multiply minus with minus, what would be the answer? Minus and minus gives us plus. Yes, great, great. Good, Reba. Well done, well done. So minus minus gives us plus. Add 5 and 6. Add and tell me the answer in the chat box. 11. Yes. We will write 11x here. The sign that we are going to use, it is of minus. Because we have to resolve that in our brain but not on paper. If we are dealing with the multiplication, then we will change the sign, otherwise not. After that, the third term that we are going to resolve over here, the like term, that is plus 2x and plus 5x. Definitely plus plus gives us plus 5 plus 2, 7 and x as it is. Lastly, we have plus 1 and plus 10, that 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. Is this clear? Is this clear? Thank you. Now the time comes to open the bracket. To open the brackets. If you notice, there is a sign of subtraction before the bracket. The first algebraic expression, that is the value of b whole, will remain as it is. We will open the bracket. First of all, we have to notice which sign is there before the bracket. The sign is of subtraction. So what I have to do, I have told you yesterday as well, when there is no sign in between two things, there lies a sign of multiplication. So I have to multiply this sign with every sign falling in the bracket. First value is x cube, remain as it is, minus minus plus x square. After that, I'm going to multiply this minus with this plus. Plus minus gives us minus, minus plus gives us minus. And values would be here. Now, again we have to collect the like term. My first value is 17x cube. I will check, is there any other x cube? Yes, that is minus x cube. After that, plus x square plus 11x square minus 7x and plus 9 and minus 11. I have collected all the like terms. I'm going to just underline this to make you people clear. These two are like, these two are like, and these two are like terms. We get 4 pairs of like terms. First pair is 17x cube minus x cube. What to do in it? Tell me. 17 के साथ कौन सा sign है? Tell me, students. Plus, yes. When there is no sign before a number, it is understood that is of addition. So, plus minus minus, we are going to subtract 17x cube from an x cube. So just noticed, oh, I'm making it here, 17x cube and x cube. 17 is with sign of addition and only x cube with sign of subtraction. Will you please guide me how to solve this one? As you can see, x cube is alone. There is no other value. What to do? No, we are going to do the subtraction, plus minus minus, and sign of big value would remain in the answer. So first thing that we have resolved is प्लस माइनस माइनस, हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे, और जो आंसर में साइन आएगा वो ग्रेटर वैल्यू का आएगा, और ग्रेटर वैल्यू जो है वो प्लस की है. अब मुझे बताएं मैं 17 को किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं? एक्स क्यूब के साथ तो मुझे कुछ भी नज़र नहीं आ रहा. 1, that's great, that's great. Zakia, Meera, Jaira, thank you. Huzaira, 1, yes. It is understood कि इसके साथ जो इसकी वैल्यू है दैट इज 1. नाउ 17 minus 1, my answer would be 16 and x cube as it is. So my answer is 16x cube. Next is plus 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 15 and 11, 26 and x square as it is. Minus minus plus 7 and 7, 14 minus 14x. This one प्लस माइनस माइनस, साइन डिजॉल्व करें, प्लस माइनस माइनस, हम इसको सब माइनस करेंगे, और जो वैल्यू आपके पास आएगी वो आएगी ग्रेटर वैल्यू की, और ग्रेटर वैल्यू आपके पास यहाँ पे क्या है? वी हैव 11. So my answer is 16x cube plus 26x square minus 14 and minus 2. Is this clear? Any questions? Any questions, class? Okay, let's move to my next question. Now we are going to do exercise 5.3, question number 5. All of you, please. Are you ready, students? Did you get the question? If you can see, there is a table. There is a table. Okay, yes, yes. All right. Question number 5. Fill in the table by substituting the values in the given expressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 expressions are given to you. We have to solve this one by one. We have to solve this one by one. Are you ready to do this one? We have done this sort of question in class 6 as well. My 7 blue boys are very much familiar with this. I hope so 7 pink as well. Should we start, students? For this purpose, you have to do the work with me. So let me do last part. हम last part करते हैं. We need a rough working column for this one. You can also solve these values in your mind as well, but to avoid any kind of confusion, we can make a rough working column as well. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Let me make my rough working column. I have inserted a new slide. You can use your page as well. So last equation is 50x minus 60. 50x minus 60. Okay, let me put any one value. Tell me हम इसमें x की कौन सी वैल्यू पुट करें? हमने वन बाय वन सारी करनी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल x is equals to 0, x is equals to -1, x is equals to 1, 3, 10, 100 and 500. Okay, Simral is saying 0. Okay, let me put 0. What I have to do, wherever x falls in the expression, in place of that x I will write the value. Like In first option, I have 0. So in place of x, I will write 0. So now tell me, when there is no sign in between two terms, there is sign of multiplication. Kindly multiply 50 with 0. 50 and 0. Multiply करें, what would be the answer? Ahmed said 0, Meerab said okay. So 50 zeros are 0. We all are very much familiar with 0. जब भी किसी नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो वो आंसर क्या हो जाता है? 0 हो जाता है. So I get 0 and minus 60. अब इनको रिजॉल्व करें तो आपके पास क्या आएगा? What would be the answer? Plus 0 minus 60. What would be the answer? Students, I'm with minus 60. Simral said minus 60. Yes, absolutely right. What you will do then, after doing this one, मैंने इसको solve किया है. In the table, I will write here minus 60. I will write here minus 60. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. I have few minutes. Okay, students, select any equation of your choice. First, second, third, fourth, or fifth that you would like that I should solve this one for you people. अपनी चॉइस की सिलेक्ट कर लें, मुझे बताएं कौन सी अब मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दिखाऊं. हरी अप. Fifth one, third. Okay, third one. Anything that seems difficult to you, let me do both one. First of all, let's start with the third one. Rania said third, Maham Zakaria are with third, Jaira third. Okay ji, okay. Third and fourth हम both कर लेते हैं. Just notice we have, let's move to the next slide. I'm going to draw a line. Okay. Third one I'm going to start, it is x square minus x and minus 1. कौन सी वैल्यू पुट करें स्टूडेंट्स इसमें? 0, -1, 1, 3, 10 of your choice. +1. Okay ji. Now what I will do, in place of x I'm going to put 1. I'm going to put 1. If you can see, the value is x square. In place of x I have written 1, but the power remains same, that is square. Sign of subtraction. There is only x, I will write 1 and minus 1. X square means I have to multiply 1 with 1 twice a time because its power is square. Square means the value should fall 2 times. I have to multiply 1 with 1. Let's suppose if there would be x cube, what I will do then, I will write 1 multiply by 1 and 1 thrice a time. Alright, minus 1 and minus 1. Now, if you multiply 1 with 1, what would be the answer? 1 ones are 1. Definitely, the rest value will remain as it is. Now, when there is no sign in at the beginning, it is understood that it is 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 would be cancelled. What is left out with me? The left out is minus 1. So, this is my required. Now, what I will do, I will write my answer in the relative column. I will write my answer in the relative column. We have sorted out this one. So my answer is minus 1. Let's do the next one, that is minus 5x plus x square. Minus 5x minus 5x. Are you doing with me, students? Is there any problem? Please write me in the chat box. Minus 5x minus 5x plus x square. Okay, let me put 100 into it. इसमें 100 put करके check करें students. So minus 5 as it is, in place of x I am going to write 100. Next we have sign of addition, that will remain as it is. Next we have x square. X square mean 100 square. 100 squares mean we have to multiply 100 with 100. So let's start with the multiplication. Minus as it is, plus minus minus, and I have to multiply 5 with this 100. Sorry for that, plus minus minus, that is not a part of this one. I have to multiply 5 with this 100. What would be the answer? 500, definitely. My answer would be 500. Sign of addition as it is. 100 square mean I have to multiply 100 and 100. What would be the answer, please tell me? 400. Simran, Fiza said 1000. No. 5000, how comes? स्टूडेंट्स क्या हो गया आपको? 1000 को 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें, द आंसर वुड बी 10,000. The answer would be 10,000. Now plus minus minus, what I will do then, अब आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 10,000 में से अगर हम 500 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, सो हमारे पास क्या आंसर आ सकता है इसका? प्लीज़ बताएं मुझे. 9,000 एंड क्विकली प्लीज़. इतना हार्ड तो ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है. माई आंसर वुड बी 9,500. 9,500. So we can write it over here in the required answer column. 9,500. Is this clear? Any queries regarding this one? Homework is to solve question number 12 and exercise question number 5, that is of 5.3. Thank you so much. That's all for today. In case of any problem or query, you can inbox me using your WhatsApp. Thank you so much. God bless you all.